Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got some fun watch faces for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Stay tuned. Let's have a look. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to take a look at a nice watch face that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of this is called Mark.A Power. It's a very simple, very basic watch face. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a simple digital time. But when it's on, it has a little uniqueness to it. I like it. It's simple. It's different. It's outside of your normal use. But you do get the power info. You do get your days of the week over here. And also you get your step percentage down at the bottom. It has a decent look considering that it is just a fun watch face. What do you think? Watch face number 2. This one is Tina Dial 549. This one is nice. This one is that watch face that kind of puts you in the relaxation mode. You're grinding hard, you're working your behind off, and you're telling yourself, listen, soon I'm going to be on vacay. No need to worry. Continue to grind hard. Now, this is a very simple watch face. It's a 24-hour watch face at that. You know, you got a palm tree, look like you're out on the water somewhere. This is a nice watch face. This one is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I thought the developer definitely got creative on this one. I thought it was a nice, fun watch face to review. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these two watch faces and if you're going to go download them or which one you're going to go download. And with that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button on the way out. Enjoy the rest of your day and grind hard. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.